In this video, I'll show you how to use a VPN to watch Amazon Prime Video from any country. Before we start, check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. While following along, it's fast, reliable, and works on all devices. Amazon Prime Video has different movies and shows depending on the country you are in. By using a VPN like NordVPN, you can connect to a server in another country and access that country's content library. First, open the NordVPN app on your device. If you don't have it yet, download it from the official website or your app store and log in with your account. On the main screen, you'll see a map and a list of countries. Pick a country whose Prime Video library you want to access, such as the United States, the United Kingdom, or Japan, and tap to connect. Once NordVPN shows you're connected, open your browser or the Amazon Prime Video app and log into your Amazon account as usual. You should now see titles available in the country you selected. If Prime Video still shows your original location, try clearing your browser cookies or app data, then reconnect to the VPN. You can also switch to a different server in the same country for better results. For the best streaming quality, choose the fastest server available in NordVPN. The app even shows the server load percentage, so you can pick one with low usage for smoother playback. Using a VPN also keeps your internet connection private and secure while streaming. It works across devices, so you can enjoy Amazon Prime Video on your phone, tablet, smart TV, or computer without any extra steps. This allows you to unlock entire new libraries of movies and shows no matter where you are. With NordVPN running in the background, you can switch locations anytime and explore content from all over the world. Once again, check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price and start streaming Amazon Prime Video libraries from anywhere, securely and easily.